It just is such an amazing community here, and I felt like I kind of found my people when I moved here. Hi, I'm Jenni Yolo from I Spy DIY and Makeover by Monday. I moved here after living in New York City, and as soon as I came to Milwaukee, the inspiration started flowing, and the DIY business that I had started in New York, I brought here, and instead of DIYing outfits and fashion, I started to transition to DIYing home decor. I had this amazing warehouse space, and I could really test out and kind of figure out what my home decor style was. This is my loft house. This is the most recent house that my husband and I renovated. And since it's a little bit more of a quirky house, I feel like I could take some more chances with it. Seven Swans Creperie is one of my favorite places to come in Milwaukee. I'm always looking for inspiration. I love wallpaper, and she has the most beautiful wallpaper here. I just love the patchwork look of it. I've never seen anything like that before. One of the things that I love to do in Milwaukee is to go around to businesses and just see what they're doing, see the design. I love supporting women-owned businesses. I grew up in Wisconsin, I moved away to New York, and when I came back here, one of the things that struck me so much was the maker community. I wanted to come to 41 Floral today because flowers are such an important part of all my designs. I just love what Michael has created here. She created this community where she has DIY workshops and events that just bring everyone together around the best thing in the world, flowers. Whenever I'm designing a space, I always like to have a color story. And for me, bringing flowers in completes that color story. Michael's been such a big inspiration for me. I just love the arrangements that she creates. I just love her mission, and I love what she's doing in the community. I'm hesitant to tell everyone about Goodland Antiques because Anne always has the most amazing stuff. Every time I need something, I come here and she somehow has it. It's such a fun place. When I'm designing a room, I just feel like putting unique items in there that no one else has creates a space that feels like home. Every time you come in here, there's something new, there's a new treasure, and I love that she's always keeping it fresh. It's been so fun bringing this shop to fruition. One of my goals for this year was to make more products and to connect with people more in real life, and this shop is the perfect opportunity to do that. And now people can come in and hang out. I can show them the products that we're working on, show them my wallpaper in real life so they can touch it and interact with it. I just absolutely love Milwaukee. It's such a place of inspiration. The history, the culture, and just this momentum of small businesses. It's amazing to see the growth, and I just love it here.